Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial features how to take screenshot in Windows. Screenshots are a great way to capture and share what's on your computer screen, whether it's for troubleshooting purposes, creating tutorials, or just sharing something with friends and family. There are several ways to screenshot in Windows, and we'll go over a few of the most common methods. Method 1. Using the print screen key. The first and probably the most well-known method is using the print screen key on your keyboard. This key is usually labeled print screen or print screen and located near the top of your keyboard, often next to the function keys. To take a screenshot on your entire screen, simply press the print screen key. This will capture a snapshot of everything that is currently displayed on your screen. The screenshot will not be saved automatically. You'll need to paste it into an image editing application like Paint or Photoshop to save it. To take a screenshot of only specific window, press Alt Print Screen at the same time. This will capture screenshot of only the active window, which you can paste and save in image editing program like Paint or Photoshop. Method 2. Using the Snipping Tool. The second method is using the Snipping Tool, which is a built-in screenshot utility found in Windows. To access the Snipping Tool, go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, then Snipping Tool. Or you can just type Snipping Tool from Windows Start or Windows Search. Once the Snipping Tool is open, you can choose to capture a full screen, a window, or a custom area on your screen. Simply select the option you want from the drop-down menu and then click and drag to highlight the area you want to capture. You can then save the screenshot by clicking the Save button, or you can paste it directly to any other program. The last method is Method 3, using the Windows plus Print Screen shortcut. The third method is using the Windows plus Print Screen shortcut. This will take a screenshot of your entire screen and automatically save it as a file in the screenshot folder. This is located in your Pictures folder. To use this method, simply press the Windows key and Print Screen key at the same time. The screen will briefly dim to indicate the screenshot has been taken. You can then find the screenshot in the screenshot folder in your Pictures. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to screenshot in Windows. If you had any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.